Alright guys, so if you have been searching for ways to earn Litecoin without any investment or any money, then this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you guys 9 platforms that allow you to earn small amounts of Litecoin by simply performing simple tasks like taking online surveys, playing games, and other offers. This is not a get rich quick method, but if you're looking for platforms that actually pay without looking for upfront investment, then this video is for you. Now, before we get into the list, I want to set realistic expectations. These platforms may pay small reward for completing tasks, but your earnings depends on your country, the time you spent doing this, the offers available to you, and sometimes your device. So this is not a replacement for a full-time job. Think of it as a way to earn small amounts of crypto during your spare time. So the first platform on our list is called CashInStyle.com. That is the name of the website. You can see right here. You can go straight to Google to sign up with them. I'm also going to leave the links to all of these platforms in the video description down below, so you can just click on any of the link and check out the platform. So you can see right here, get paid for games and service. So that is how you earn on this platform. You simply come over here, you sign up for an absolutely free account. Then once you sign up, there are games and surveys for you which you can actually participate in to earn some money for yourself. So you can see right here, it is totally free. They also have a community that's allow people to chat on the platform, which is actually good. If you scroll down here, you can see, according to them, you can see how much they have paid out to users, and you can see how many members they have and all of that. But of course, we don't know how true this information is. This is them just putting all of this here on their platform. Now, if I go ahead and scroll down here, you can see some of their offers here. This one is a game, and if you complete playing this game, this is how much you are going to earn as your reward. You can see this one here is another game. You can see their reward here after you complete playing the game. Also on this platform, you can also participate in their contests, and if you go ahead and scroll all the way down here, you can see their payment method here: PayPal, Bitcoin, and right here you can see this is Litecoin. So you can earn on this platform and withdraw through Litecoin. So Litecoin is one of the payment method on this platform. You can see Walmart gift card and Amazon gift card, right? And also you can get the application on Google Play Store. So I don't think they have an application on iOS devices, but they actually have an app on Google Play Store. So you can just download the application, sign up, and complete your task over there. Now let me take you to the second platform. So the second platform is called Cointiply.com. Now, I also made a video about this platform recently. It is a platform where you can earn cryptos here by completing tasks like surveys and playing of games, and also taking their offers. Now you can see right here, according to them, they have over 5 million users worldwide on the platform. And if I scroll down here, you can see they have been around since 2018. So all these platforms I'm talking about in this video are legitimate platforms, but you can actually go ahead and do your research if you want to verify any platform before investing your time with them, right? So you can see right, you can also get the application on both Google Play Store and App Store. So after you earn on the platform and you want to withdraw your money out, you can actually make use of Litecoin to withdraw as a payment method, right? All right, so let me take you to the third platform, and the third platform name is called RedMonkey.com, and this application is available in most parts of the world, so you can check if it is available in your country. Over here on the platform homepage, you can see start earning by taking surveys, playing games, and installing apps. So these are the things you can do on this platform to earn reward for yourself. Now if I go ahead and scroll down here, you can see according to them, this is the total number of users they have, and this is total earnings on their platform today, which is not much. At least this is actually looking realistic. And also you can see their total paid out. According to them, this is the numbers right here. But then again, this is something that this platform or this company has written about their platform. This can easily be manipulated, right? So I don't really pay attention to this right here. So if I go ahead and scroll all the way down here where it says what is the coin's value on RedMonkey, basically on this platform they actually reward you using their coins, and you can now convert that coins to USD, then you can withdraw. Now over here you can see they say 1,000 of these coins equals to $1. So if you complete your micro jobs and earn up to 1,000 coins, you can then convert it to USD and withdraw. On this platform, you can also withdraw your earnings on this platform to your Litecoin wallet. But there are many other payment methods on the platform. But if you want to use Litecoin, you can actually make use of it. It's available on the platform. Alright, so the fourth website is called JamesLoot.com. Right now, over here you can see get paid, playing games or doing surveys, no deposits, quick cash out. So you can see right here their payment method here includes Litecoin. You can see they have PayPal, PlayStation, Roblox, and the rest. But if you earn on this platform by doing surveys or playing games, you can actually withdraw it through Litecoin, right? So over here, according to them, this is how much users cash out this month. This is the data they put on their website here. You can see average time cash out here. This is what they actually write here again, and you can see total finish offers on the platform. Now, like I said earlier, this information is not valid since it is something that can easily be manipulated. You can also make use of their affiliate program here to refer new users so you can earn commission, but that is totally optional. Now let me take you to the fifth platform. Now the fifth platform is called Freecash. Freecash is also a platform where you can earn by simply playing games, taking surveys, and a lot of other things. You can also withdraw on this platform through Litecoin. So over here you can see these are some of their games offers here, which you can actually go ahead and play. And for each game, you will see how much you are going to earn as your reward and all of that. All you need to do is to click on the game offer and go through the instruction and make sure you follow the instruction. When you're done playing the game, you earn your reward. And one thing I love about games is that for each level you unlock, you'll be able to earn some reward. So that actually encourages you to play the game harder, unlock another level and another level and another level, right? And on the platform, as you can see here, you can also take surveys. You can also participate tags on their partners platforms. Now to withdraw, you can also withdraw through Litecoin. They have the option to withdraw through Litecoin. So if I click on cash out here, it's going to take me right here. Now if I go ahead and scroll down here, you can see they have PayPal as payments method. You can see they have Bitcoin, and right here you can see they have Litecoin. So you can earn on this platform, then withdraw through Litecoin if you want to withdraw through it. Now the next platform is called EarnLab.com, right? Remember, I'm going to leave the links to all of these platforms in the video description, or you can simply go to Google and type out the name and search the website. So over here you can see earn rewards anytime, anywhere. And if I go ahead and scroll down here, all you need to do is to sign up, select task, and after you earn your reward, you withdraw. And basically how you make money on this platform is almost the same thing with the other GPT platforms we've discussed. All you need to do, you take surveys, you play games, and you participate in offers, and you earn reward for doing that. Now if I scroll all the way down here, you can see they have PayPal as their payments method, Visa, Amazon, Walmart, Bitcoin, and right here you can see this is Litecoin. So you can actually earn on the platform and withdraw through Litecoin as a payment method. Of course, you can see different other payment methods right here. Also on the platform, you can also refer users and earn commissions. Go ahead, click on affiliate and get your referral link. So all the platform I'm talking about in this video are 100% free. You don't need to activate your account after signing up. There's no need for verification. Once you sign up, just go ahead, complete task, and you earn your reward and withdraw through Litecoin. So the seventh website on our list is PriceRebel. Now I actually made a video about this platform, and you can see right here it says take free paid surveys, redeem for free PayPal, cash, Bitcoin, or gift cards. So all you need to do, sign up. Once again, it's 100% free. You take surveys and then you redeem through all of these payment methods, and they also have Litecoin as a payment method on the platform. The eighth website is called TimeBucks.com. Now TimeBucks.com is also a platform where you can earn by taking surveys, playing games, and taking offers. Now over here you can see they have been around for the past 10 years, which actually shows that they are actually a good platform. So once again, you can go to Google, or the links are going to be in the video description. Click on those links and check out this platform, and always make sure you do your research before using any platform or investing your time in any platform. I try my best to bring legit platforms every single day, but it is also your duty to do your own due diligence. right? So the last platform on our list is called idle-empire.com. So that's the name of the platform. Once again, link in the video description or go straight to the website. So over here you can see earn free skins, games, gift card, and cryptocurrencies. All you need to do is to sign up for an absolutely free account. You complete your tasks and earn rewards in points. You can then exchange your points for skins, games, gift card, and cryptocurrencies. Once again, it is 100% free to sign up on the platform. So just come over here, click on register and sign up. Alright guys, so these are 9 sites where you can complete tasks, take surveys, play games. Now all of these platforms allow you to withdraw through Litecoin. So if you earn on the platform, whether you earn in dollars on the platforms, you are basically allowed to withdraw it through Litecoin. So thanks for watching. If you do appreciate me making this video, please take a second to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon. Let me know if you have ever tried any of these platforms. Tell me your experience in the comment section so that other people will also learn. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.